Hi everyone, welcome to the ChartRider Weekly Market Outlook. We hope our magic forecast is helping you in making some money during this difficult time. Please make sure to follow the social distancing rules to help you and your family stay safe from the coronavirus. The market are doing almost exactly to what we have expected last week. If after watching this video you see that market are doing exactly as we did expect, then please like, comment and share this video to help us help you during this time. Let's all share it to help everyone make some money with us. Let's be kindful and help our community. This is AUDUSD, your market outlook presenter. And let's get started with DXY. DXY is doing like magic for us. We did forecast this up move and we say we are going up there. We did put for you in detail and we did anticipated this drop, and now we can see them going to the upside, continue this move. Let's quickly show you. This one was posted on YouTube last week on my previous outlook, and he did the move. Just change the color. Okay guys, see we did anticipate from right at the bottom and we are here now. They changed for them to drop from here, but I'll show you how this chance is existed. So we'll be talking about this in detail, but just I'm showing you we did anticipate this move from right at the bottom. Alright guys, we even did post this one in, I'll show you after this one, but for now let's stick to this one. And I just want you to see this. See this one, I did put for you exactly the move how it could happen. We did get from right at the bottom, we did put this. If you've been watching my previous outlook, you will notice that we did put this from very well. Just let's remove this trade setup. And market are doing exactly as you expected. We had this up move and this sharp drop. See this sharp drop, and we go right here. And now we go this, we are anticipating a correction here and continue to the upside. And hopefully this will give us what we're expecting. But however, just keep in mind, let's just get these trend tools. If you see them reversing from here and giving you this, then we are going to be selling this to the downside. Okay, because as long as it doesn't break this top, this move can be ended at any time if we don't break this top. So this can be the top, because as you can see here, they reacted within my box. See that box here, that little box? Just let's make it a little sharper so you can see it. See guys, this was my box and they reacted right from there. So from now, this can be a pullback to continue to the downside. How do you master this? If you see them breaking this top, we really not interested in the sale at this time. We want them to, we're not interested in buying this one. So if you're in the buy, just put on break even when you call it from the bottom and leave it, because this big chance they are going here, okay? But in case they doesn't do that last move to the upside, they can go just from right here. Because if I put box for you guys now, they are exactly on my box. Okay, this box doesn't come just like this. I was working on it before I came to the weekly outlook. So the box, its place is here. We do measure this on different things, so it's just not placing a box in there. Okay, there is a reason for these boxes. See, every box market react on it. See guys, so what's now we're expecting them to go break this box and continue to the upside. Once we reach this level, find a sell setup. You don't want to miss this one because there is big move coming. Okay, this is your move. This is your move to this box. Use, of course, you need to use stop loss above the top for display. Let me quickly show you how we did put this one in our training room and show our people what to expect from it. I think this one here, this one was the XY. And as you see guys, we told them enter from here and use stop loss right above the top, and we'll see from there, because we do anticipate this down move is coming. And I only post for my member because this is private group and the first time show up. I only post for my member the quality stuff in here. Okay, this is the silver. When we reach the silver, you will see they reacted exactly from the box and dropping. So let's move on, continue with what we're doing. So you saw this one on YouTube. From the bottom, we did forecaster. They reached exactly my arrow. Sorry, they are somewhere here, and we are going there for sure. Let's see what happens from there. So look for sell setup on the XY for next week. Let's move on to US theory. Sorry, before we move from the XY, let me just quickly show you on trading view. We did also put this one for you guys on trading view. So this was posted before they reached this box, and now they're already almost near the top. Just play it. And they changed for them to drop from this box. Sorry, they react from this box, and let's see what happens from there. Let's play out. Okay, see? Alright, we do expect them going to the upside. Yeah. So here we go, guys. Things are playing our favor. Let's move to US theory. US theory, we did call this top, we did call this bottom, we did call number this all for you guys. Let's move on to number 3 here and show you. Okay, guys. We did call this one, we did go this box, I'll show you again now, and we are going down. You see that? And let's go back to the chart and show you. This was in my previous outlook from last week, and this is what we did expect. Okay, guys, we did anticipate this pullback, we did anticipate this drop, they did it, and now they did this one exactly too, and now we're anticipating this third wave. All right, what if they want to go to the upside? You need to use stop loss above this top, because even if they go above this top, then we are changing our view. That will happen there. See that yellow structure? Remember this. If we break this top, this is what will happen. We don't see drop any sooner then. Okay, if we break this top again. So for now, there is high chance for them to drop from here. And if you zoom this one in, you see they have momentum now and they are dropping. Possible. See? So let's give you this one on smaller time and show you. So there is a chance for this to pull back and continue down. Okay, focus on this move, at least for this level. Even if they're going up, they will have to come here before they continue, because you need something like this. Okay, guys, that's what you need. Even if we're going up and then down, and then we'll go to the upside. Remember that yellow structure I just drew for you to the upside? That will need to happen if we are playing to the upside. You will see this breaking this top of this box. It will confirm for us, and we will see then this drop, and this all will be running flat to go up. Okay, and that's mean this is all your correction A, B, C, because you have 5 move to the upside done, and that's mean we are going to go to the upside. Okay, but for now, focus on the sell setup for these weeks, because even if they come back here, they are going to drop. Okay, at least for this level, remember that. And if you're lucky, this is the one that start to go to the downside, absolutely, making a new bottom, if the coronavirus still has effect on the market. So let's move on to SPX, S&P. Absolutely the same, guys. So what's happening? Let this just load, and let's go to trading view and I'll show you here on trading view as well. March 26, supposed to be the next week. So what's going on? Internet is gone. This one. Sorry guys, I had lost the internet, so let's just reshare again this one and get the drawing tools. Okay, so in S&P, guys, we did call this bottom, and watch it, they're almost at the top. I just want you guys to see this one. See that, guys? We did go down move from right at the bottom. We did call the bottom in the stock market, guys. If you've been watching me, you notice that. So what's now? This was our last week overview. We said we are at the top of my arrow, find sell setup. So what's next? If we don't manage to break this top, we are looking to sell this. There is high chance for them coming to the downside. However, if they come to break this top again, exactly we'll follow the other structure, guys. Okay, this should be going to the upside. For now, we have a chance for the downside. We don't want to miss it, because if this is going to make a new bottom, because everyone is expecting the stock is going to go lower. If the stock is going to make a new low, this is your best entry point, guys. I'm giving you K level. So you can use a small stop loss, like tight stop loss, and enter the trade and watch what happens. Okay, because do not move your stop loss. If you enter this trade and you put stop loss above the top, do not try to move your stop loss as this goes. Okay, because there is high chance for this is going down from here. Because even if this is going to the upside, now what will happen? Okay, guys, again, we'll have this, and then we will go like this. So you will have this as running flat here, and this your bigger running flat, and this another structure here. Okay, if structurally this what will happen, but with the news and with because there is possibility for stock market to drop, there is a chance for them to drop from right here. So if you find sell setup, take it. Once you have something similar to this move, keep your eyes and put it on break even and watch it, because if they manage to go up, then we are in this move. Okay, and then we will have this move again. So you can trade on this one if it moves like this. Just take a screenshot and watch it. If this plays out, play with this. And once we reach here, then you watch. Okay, if you saw from the top, no problem. Put a break even and watch this. If you see reversal, we will buy this, because that means this is going to the upside. If this managed to crash this bottom, okay, let's say they come sharp here, that's it. That's confirmed the down move. Once we break this bottom, guys, even with this move, that's your confirmation. This is coming at least to this level. What's now? Because I want you to be dragged to early, you can look for sell setup now and watch this. I will focus on this, and then this, and then from there we will see if this is the one that will crash, or this will come here and continue to the upside. Okay, put trend line and trade on it. So we are bearish on SPX, just to make it more clear for you guys. Let's move on to DAX. So German theory. I think German theory, yes, I did prepare YouTube for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What was this one? We didn't see. Oh, SPX. See, guys, before we go to German theory, we are back to S&P. You see that? We call this top exactly, and we are now here, and we are now here, guys. Okay, that's why we say take this sell, because this can be the one that goes. Let me quickly show you back this one. Okay, let's go back to S&P. Sorry, I forget I did it on YouTube as well. See, guys, we was at the top of this arrow. Let's go back to this one, I think. See, top of this arrow, we dropped and we're pulling back. Let's go back here and see. We dropped and we're pulling back to exactly my things, and we're thinking we are going from here. There is a high chance for this. That's why I'm saying sell this. Anyway, let's move on now to DAX. So DAX could be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So before we move on the chart, guys, you will see this. We was here, we said buy this, and we reached right here, and we dropped right here. Okay, exactly as we said here. Let's go to the chart and show you. So what I showed you, this was from previous outlook, and from last week outlook I'll show you. Okay, we was right at the top, and we dropped here, and we had this pullback. Okay, 5. This one was it. See, and let's, which one was this one? And this one, of course, from last week for dropping. After that drop happens, okay, here, go down, we go down, and let's see where we are now. See, we got the, and we are breaking, we are dropping, and we can see momentum for that drop is happening. So find sell setup on DAX as well. That is good top for you if you think stock market is about to make a new low. This is the best entry for you guys. You got another chance with this pullback. We called this one last week, and we got that drop. Okay, I'll show you after where that live trade. If you stick with me, you will see our live trade we took during the videos. So sorry, let's move now. Let's say we expecting down move on DAX. USDN. This one. Let's clear drawing. And this is another magic for you guys as well, guys. If you've been with me as well, this we did call this. We said sell this. Is just pull back and sell this. This has managed to come right here, guys. Okay, and we managed to come back earlier up. But let me show you on this on chart. Just clear everything, and you can see here. Okay, this my green drawing still in there. Was it this one? Yes. See my green drawing still in there. We did come down. We was right at this top. We did come down. So if you go with us, it was good luck for you. I'll show you how we did sell this one here. We sold this one here. And that's what we're expecting for this week. Okay, we see them coming with this, and they start this move earlier. It's no problem for us. We do understand this. So we did sell this, and we didn't buy this, okay, because I was anticipating them. They are dropping from me. We didn't get that. But from last week, that's what you need. From last week, we did call this from right the top. This one, see? Right the top, guys. And here we go. We are waiting this arrow to reach the 108.424 to reach, and we are going to sell. We are expecting big move about to come to a downside. We did call this from the top, guys, and we still saying this big move is coming. Why are we saying this? Let me quickly explain for you. We see this is your what's playing in there, and we are dropping. This is why the running flat, and we are going to the downside. We are only seller on USDN. Let's quickly move to gold. We don't want to make you wait for long here, but I think on the trading view, if you go to my trading view page, okay, you will see that we did forecast all these moves, guys. Let me quickly, because we're here, let me show you the DXY, the USDN. See, guys, we did call all these moves to the downside. Watch playing exactly as we said. Watch. See, guys, we did get this right here. Let's just zoom in so I show you. Let's move on. Come on. What's going on? Guys, did you see that? We did go this move, and we are dropping. That's why we're saying this is running flat and we're continuing down, because we're still following with our structure. They doing exactly as we anticipated. So this one was from very long time, and you saw it in there. We did even forecast, guys. This first down move, this up move, we forecast all of them. If you look here within my things, you will find it. Okay, let's not waste too much time here. And let's go back to the gold. So just find my trading view page, the chart trader, and search there. You will see all this top and bottom being forecasted exactly. What's about gold? Yes, we have gold here for you guys. Last week we said about this buy from right this box. They reacted exactly as we said, guys. And then because they pull back from here, I was expecting them to continue to the upside. But I did show you this one as well, guys. Okay, I'll show you now. We said if this managed to come here, we can see them coming to break this bottom before they go to the upside. Let's go to the gold number 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And show you what we did anticipate from last week. See, guys, As what I said if this break this and continue sharp, we are going to have the third wave. That's mean we already started. We will have this two wave first, and we did have this and this, and we are coming down. Okay, but for now, what did we anticipate this? We didn't anticipate this top. We said sell this. This is coming down here, and we are going back up. And we said this can be the third wave, and we can be going to make finally this high if they doesn't want to make biggest correction structure. But for now, it's confirming for me because they're dropping from here. It's bigger correction structure, and we see this now in play. Okay, guys, the up move is still coming, but I think we'll take wider time. Next week will confirm for us, but for this week, let's see where we are this week, and we tell you what are you looking for. We will be looking for sell setup if they manage to break this bottom. Okay, find sell setup. That's mean we are coming to break this bottom. And after we reach here, we will anticipate this. And then one more for this. And then we'll go up. Okay. But if you think like everyone else, the gold is starting the drop early because reacted on our bottom of the box because we expecting bigger move to the downside. Okay. You can start looking for downside for this big move. We do not anticipate this for now. 1, 2, 3, 1. Because even if we're going down, we will have this. Okay, and then drop from there. Even if we're going down. So we thinking of sideways for a while. So if you wish at this top, only looking for sell. Every time they make a new high, find sell setup. Every time they make a new high, find sell setup. Okay, and follow my biggest structure I just showed you before this one. So let's move on to silver. And let's go trading view quickly and show you we did post that silver trade last week. See guys, this was my silver trade. We did post that, and let's see if market are reacting. Here we go guys. Okay, we go down from the top. They came down and they're pulling back. What's happening? We're still expecting that down move is coming. When we will change our view, if we break this top. Okay guys. Once they take us on stop loss, we are going to exit this trade because we can see this trade is coming to a downside. We only will be seller. There is a chance for them, this all the correction and we're going up, but I don't see that because we did not break this bottom. And if this break this bottom, I say yes, this is going up. But because they didn't do it and I don't see this as correction, okay, that's mean this your A, B, and C. And then we will see from there because I can see more downside coming on this structure. But once we reach this level 14 area, we will see if they go up one more time to break this top. Okay, we will follow up with this. We will not go too much further in this. Just focus on the sell for this week and let's see if this plays out. Okay, guys, let's just remove this because you already saw it. So just make the chart more clear. Okay, guys. So if you see them coming breaking this top, this is your upside target. Is 17.940. If they break this top, find buy setup. We are going up for sure. So what's next? Let's move on to oil. Oil doing like magic, guys. You will see that real success in it. That's if you join my course, that's why you will learn. All our forecast is paying out, guys. We did call this, call this, call this. All these moves happening, guys, and more to it. You will see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this I didn't touch it. It was before that move happened. I'll show you now in a sec. And let's see where's the go. US oil 9. 1, 2, 3. Possible this one. Let's see. See, guys, this labeling was in there before the move even happens. We said this is ABC and it happens here, but I didn't move it for you guys. So you see we did forecast because we did forecast this from right here, from right at the bottom. Okay. And we did go this. Now we are at the top and we are turning. Let me go back and show you. Just did you see this labeling? They're playing exactly out as we expected. See that these guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. They make the top right where we said, and they drop it from right where we said. What to look? What's for this week? Guys, for this week, to be honest with you, I'm looking for sell. Okay, Let me show you the biggest structure on this pair. I did show you before when we did this one in detail. You can go watch it. I think I put it on 4 hours. Just let's go to 4 hours and bring what I'm seeing, because we reached that top. We're not looking to buy now. If you remember last week, we bought right here live. Watch our previous outlook. Go to the last section of it. You will see we bought this one live from right here. 3 standard lots, and we took profit at the top. So this is what I see, guys. Okay, this structure here, it been there from right the bottom before all these moves happen. And because we are at the top of this structure, okay, because we're at the top of it, I am seeing them slowing down and turning like this, exactly as you see in the structure. And I'll follow up with them like this. But if this managed to break this top for any reason, okay, then start only look for buy, guys, because we are going up. This will confirm for us. We did go this trade, no problem. We took off here, we took profit, and we are waiting this, no problem for us, because even if they come here, they will pull back. We will buy exactly where we close the trade and buy it. The key point, if we break this, we are not coming down, okay? We'll follow up with this. Even if they're coming down, they will make bigger structure here and then drop. They will stay here for a while. But for now, there is a chance for them to play sideways and drop to a downside, okay? This won't stop us from trading on smaller time frame. For me, I advise, if you wish, only take buy setup on this pair. Even that we can see bearish setup now forming. This is your first impulse, this is your ABC, and we are thinking they are dropping. Okay, let's just zoom this one more in and let's explain for you in detail. Alright, guys, we see this structure, we see this is ABC, okay, they can go to be more up, and we can see them coming here for similar size to this for now, and from there we will follow up with what happens, okay, because we can see them then coming up, coming back down, coming back up, coming back down, and then continue down. If this confirm this one, we maybe will sell the last move to the downside that big one, but not too early, okay? I don't want them to just give us this and spike and go to the upside. That's why I'm trying to sell. So if you find buy setup at this zone, okay, yep, at 21.30, if you find buy setup, take it and see what happens from there. I'll be buying as well from there, okay, because I will anticipate this to go sideways, and I'll be only buying every drop. So US oil, it's clear for you guys. You see how we did manage to get this from right at the bottom, guys, okay? We said don't buy this, even if they spike, buy the pullback. We put for you these green things, and they did exactly to the bottom. You see, sorry, just move the picture, one mistake, okay? And they managed to go up. We bought from here. We bought from here again. We called this, and we called all this move. So what's now? We will go to the Aussie. So AUDUSD, the Australian dollar, we expecting down move, and they are doing exactly as we want them to do, okay? We did post this down move, guys, and we'll go to the chart and see it. We said take this trade, close above the top, and if you watch my marked outlook, you will watch as well on my previous outlook. We said this close, take stop loss above the top. Let's go to the chart and see if this is playing out. This thing is going too slow, I don't know why. Yeah. So you saw the setup in there, and you will see the setup in here as well. Bitcoin too early for it. See the, sorry guys, this is the oil, okay? This is where you see the chart real, okay? We posted it here on our trading, on our Slack group, private group, and we said take this trade. That's where we took it, okay? And we are at the top. We did it right at the top. Very sure. So I just want to show you this one because we are here. DXY, this one I told you we called it from the bottom. Here you see, okay? We did say buy for our member, and this managed to go to the upside. We are somewhere here now. See here? I put here, I can't see it because it's cut, but it was rotten. Area to watch here, potential, take half profit and see if we reverse from this zone. Even that we're not anticipating this to drop, but we said take half profit here and we will watch it. Either correction or they can turn from right here. Okay, that's mean this contracting flat and we're going down. We do understand this. This is Euro New Zealand. If you see the magic in this, we did forecast this up move and then said take this move and enter straight away, take profit and enter. This played exactly as that, guys. Okay, they reach here and they drop from there, and we enter the buy and the sell. There are a lot of things, guys. So just let's, which one we was looking at? Sorry, Silva Yusora. Okay, the Aussie is not here. I think we posted it though. Okay. So this is the Aussie, guys. We did call this. Said this is going up and dropping, and you will see this exactly went up here and dropped. Okay, let's go back to the chart now. You already saw this. Finally found it. So you see this arrow, guys? It was there, and we said it will drop, and it's dropping. Oh, it's already the setup is here anyway. Yeah, so you see it. So we do see them coming to a downside for now, okay, at least for this trend line. And after that, we will see what happens from there. Let's move to a pound USD. So on pound USD, guys, we did call this top, and I'll show you in a sec as well. We have to go back to Slack and show you. We will go to the pound, and we will show you here, guys. Okay, we call this top. We said they are going up and dropping. Sorry, this one. This ABC, see this here was my entry and said put stop loss here because there is still chance for them to spike. I know it's why the trade, but for my trade I do understand what I mean by this. Okay, that's mean enter here, stop loss above this top, and we will enter again from the top when they reach there. Okay, they do understand what I mean when I put this. But for you guys, I put why the stop loss so you don't get cut out and say you didn't tell us. Okay, so you saw where I expected that can go. But we did do this ABC. See this ABC? We are in it. And I said here, sell the breakout. Remember, we will read it there because I can't read it. It's cut there. I don't know why it's this. Okay, we'll go now here. And we will see what we did wrote in there. Sell the breakout if it happens. Remember, the best entry if they go to the up, go up first, then you can sell within my golden box. I mean about this box here. I just showed you over there. Okay, this was my said if we go there, that's where you have to expect if you break this top. We didn't. We said sell this breakout. See, sell this breakout. We did sell this, and we are playing on this. Let's see. I'll show you this one. We live traded this one, of course. Here live for you. Okay, here. See, guys, I did enter right live on the outlook when we said sell this to the downside. So you can see it now. Drop. I'll show you on YouTube as well. So number 10 on YouTube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Supposed to be this one. See, guys, we did pull back and sell. So this was from last week, and it was right here. Okay, and we did pull back. We will go back to the chart, and we are dropping. Let's see if this plays out. See, drop, pull back, and we're dropping again. So this was our forecast from last week. Let's continue with EURUSD. EURUSD is number 11. Just let me put this one here so it's easier for me next time to find out. So this was our EURUSD. We did call the top, guys. We said seller. We said we are at the top, and we said this is a pullback here and seller. And let's go to the chart and show you. Okay, we did have this drop from right the top, and we are almost at the bottom. So this was a okay. We said sell this, and we did got this trade from right the top. I think I took profit on this one. I'll check for you later when we go to the live trading, and I show you when we take live trading here. So for now, you see this up move was happen exactly as we forecasted. Let's tell you what's now, what to expect now. Now, because they reacted from here, because I have a box here. Okay, I didn't put it, I'll put it after. But anyway, there is a box here, and there is a chance for them to go up from here. They can go from here right to the top, or they can from here. Okay, but for now, we will watch this to break, because we are anticipating this to come down. We're only following up with this one to break this bottom. We are going to put sell stop here. So maybe we're not going to sell this one today, because this has to be sell stop at this bottom, and we'll take this straight to the bottom. Because if they manage to just come correction here and you see them breaking, okay, you take the breakout to the upside. Once we reach this zone, you be careful at this level. Okay, this will be by next week, so we'll be forecasting this in detail if we reach up there. But for now, as long as we don't break this top, we are coming down. If we break this top, try to buy above this top. Any correction buy, because this is going here. Okay, so this is my forecast on EURUSD. So breaking this bottom sell, because they still can come here and then go. Or this will be absolutely just a correction here and continuing down. Okay, we'll follow up with this for next week. This is not clear yet, because this can be the correction here. That's what I'm trying to say that. Let me explain for you in detail why we do anticipate this is can go here, because we was anticipating this is this move, and we don't see them doing it. Okay, so we said this is extended here, and that means this is you running flat, and you having this, and then we will go in this to the upside, and then there is big drop coming. Okay, don't rush to the EURUSD to the upside yet. We will buy within this zone and see, because this can be the one that goes, or they continue the structure and fulfill it, and then we go up from right here, from the 1.02818. Okay, so this is my long-term forecast on EURUSD, guys. This one was also posted on TradingView. Let's just see quickly. EURUSD. See, guys, we did posted this, and they are playing like magic for us, guys. I think this week we go over 97% correct moves, maybe 100%, you know. So hopefully, let's see. See, we did call this, and we are at the bottom, and we're reacting here, and we still saying this can be correction and continuing down to finish that move, or we can go up from here and then drop from here. Okay, there is a chance for them to reverse from here, go here to this upside, or they will break it. So if you sold here, put a break even and keep it. That's it, simple as that. Because if they manage to drop to the downside, you'll be lucky. I'm not going too much in detail after this, because this will be lost for you guys. You will be losing if I tell you what you can expect in that correction structure came from. But for now, focus on that sell. Let's move on to Euro-Yen. Euro-Yen, did we got something for US 12? Yeah. Euro-Yen, guys, we did anticipate this down move. We anticipate this down move. We anticipate this down move, and we're still saying sell this for here. Okay, but this was from last week. Let's see in the chart what happens. Let's see if the chart is talking for us. Okay, here we go, guys. See exactly where we said this is the top. We said this is the top. Sell it. There was a box here. Okay, we said this is the top. Sell it. We came down. what's happening now in this sharp move? This sharp move is nothing. Max can come here and continue down. I'm not going to buy within this before we reach this bottom. Okay, unless they give me that correction structure here and tell me this is the beginning and we are not going to reach this bottom, because they already came inside my box. Once they reach inside my box, I don't sell this. Okay, but I'll wait for the buy because we are at the bottom, somewhere around the bottom. This one was posted on TradingView as well. Let's not waste time and go there. You can go and see it. Let's move on to Euro New Zealand. So what do you call this top, guys? Euro New Zealand, guys. This pair is playing for us like magic as well. Not from now, from very long time. I just showed you before how we did call this. Let me just quickly show you how we did buy this and sell this. Okay, I showed you before, but I'll show you again. On our Slack group, live trade. That's where now we are in Euro New Zealand, where we should show you. Showed you too early before. See, guys, we was here. We said buy this. You will see now we reached right here and we did come down from there. Okay, let's move on and go back to TradingView. See, guys, we was here. We said buy this and sell. Here we was right here, buy and sell. And let's sell. Sorry, guys. Let's now talk about the last move, and we show you how we got that right from the top. This was when we started last week outlook, was at the beginning out of it. So supposed to be this one, yes. Okay. So you see here, I put this as background, so you guys know that is important pair for me, and I'm very sure of this move to the downside. Okay. So I left this with me from the whole intro to the weekly outlook. And you see they now is playing exactly from right this top. We did call this top and we came to the bottom. This is the Euro New Zealand. We did call this top and we came right to the bottom. Euro New Zealand. Just one sec. Okay, we only got that one from here. If you see in the market outlook, you will see we did put this green structure here. This one. Okay. This was from right there from before. You can watch on the outlook and you will see this is there. And we did go that down move. What's now? We're still expecting them to come to this level. 1.1722224, okay? However, they are almost at the bottom. We're not interested in selling this, okay? You still can sell, of course, but you need to use stop loss for any sell you take. For us from here, we never used any stop loss, okay? We keep just selling. But now, we're almost at the bottom. We say, be careful at this level. We are seeing big drop coming to the downside. Okay, but we can now do bigger correction and go from right here. So if you find sell setup, take it, do not miss it, because let's quickly go to 1 day and I show you. This move, guys, we've been forecasting this move from right at the top. I've been emailing this to my email list, okay, people that subscribe to my email list on my website, and I've been emailing this every time we have set up on it. Okay, from right this top, we call this move. Okay, so we was worrying before if this comes here and then go to this trend line and then continue down. Okay, the big move is to the downside. We need to have something sharp like this, but they can go up first and drop. That's why you don't be dragged. Once we reach this bottom, okay, there is a reason for me to say buy, try find buy setup from, we will buy from here, because if Euro New Zealand manage to any reason make a spike from here to take this top to get rid of people, we are in. We're using stop loss below this below this bottom, and we will be selling. We will be finding sell setup only in this pair. So if they reach here, we'll try one buy only. If we filed in it, we are out of it and waiting a pullback and selling and continuing with our sell setup. Okay, so this is not daily. Why it didn't come daily? I want to show you the bigger structure on this pair. So that's what I'm trying to say, guys. Okay, see, we are somewhere here now and we are around the bottom. I don't want you to be dragged in this sideways. We do see them coming down. We do see this move happening. Okay, this move is happening. This was there from right before. this any move in happening in day. We did put this on our website, on TradingView. Everywhere you go, you find it. Let me show you on TradingView. Euro yen, what was that? Euro New Zealand. Internet is going and coming today. So just be patient with me, guys, and let's. Alright, guys, let's just reshare again because this is important for the drawing, so I can draw for you guys. Oh my god, this needs to refresh now. So let's not worry about this. I'll show you for next week this one. Okay, but I can, where we can do, go to the website trader.com and find out from there. And let this load and continue. Okay, we'll come back to Euro New Zealand to show you. We did post this from right at the top. This exactly, this is drawing, guys. See, they playing exactly as this structure. See this structure here? This structure, they playing exactly as we expected. This pullback, this drop, and that's why we're scared now. We say they are coming more down to where the box I showed you on the 1 hour, and then we will start be worrying about this to go sideways. Got my point and my idea. Hopefully you make some money in this pair. This pair going to drop no matter what happens, guys. Let's go back to 1 hour and continue from there with the pocket. This is already too long, guys. So this was Euro New Zealand. Suppose this is supposed to be the pocket. Things going very slow. So pocket, guys, you see we didn't spike the down move. You will see them there right at the bottom now. Okay, let's go to the chart and you will see it. I'll try to be quicker now because we'll take some live trade as well for you guys. So we did call this top and we dropped, and we are now, what's now? There is a chance for them to go to the upside to this level on this pair. I think that correction structure is almost finished. Okay, guys, I just quickly didn't work on this before I come in because I knew the market is moving the way we expected, guys. So we anticipate this, we anticipate this top here, the one I just showed you before. I'll show you again, and they still can come somewhere around there and then go to the upside. For now, focus on the sell. Why I'm saying that? Firstly, we are within my box, we didn't break it yet, and this worrying me of this going more to the upside, come like this and then go to the upside. There is a chance for this correction, but if this is managing to go down and they're giving us this, that will come in. I think if you sold this one, maybe you take profit or put break even and white new setup. There is no clear direction on this, but we're still going more with a little bit more to the downside on this pair, and then we can see them going to the upside from there. Okay, and then from there we will drop here for this structure, and after that we are in big up move to the upside. Forget this now, this I don't know, because we won't happen. I don't think it will happen. I'll leave it there. Okay, this is supposed to be at the bottom of this box, and we will see. They attempt too many times to break this box. Once they break it, we confirm they are coming here. Okay, so pocket, once they break this box, we confirm they're continuing with our expectation. This was my expectation, and we will go back to the chart. Sorry, this one. Let's move this one here. Go to this. Internet today is now very good. So you see, guys, we did call this top, and here they are here now. And now what we're saying, they can be dropping from here because there is another structure, is possibility to happen. So what's now? Start only look for sell set up for this week. Okay, guys, because even if they go up, interesting this buy, because you will be seller from the top. There is big move to the upside, exactly as the units I did expect it. I'm expecting them to go to the upside and come down, but not now. Now too early. We will try to catch the up move once they come here. We are now somewhere here, right at the box here, yes. And see the arrow was before, and we are at the bottom, right at the bottom of the arrow. So last week I said sell this, watch this level, and if we break, we are coming here. If we don't break, we are going up. And we're still holding in there. I don't like that holding in there, so let's go back to the chart and quickly expect. So if we break this bottom again, put sell setup. If we don't break it, anticipate this up move to happen. Let's draw exactly what will happen. So this is one. So that's mean you are in this move. And then that, okay? That what you're going to anticipate for now. So I favor this structure, guys. But if we break this bottom, try to take sell setup, because this is look like a structure. It's breaking out and we're going down. Okay. If we're breaking back, come back to this top, try to find buy setup. Let's make it very simple and very clear. I know we've been saying too much on this one, up and down. So if you come here, break this top, find buy setup. Let me be clear with you. If this managed to come here, try to sell it, okay? And put stop loss above the top, and we will see from here, because they can still come more to the downside. Or they can absolutely just keep dropping and make this bigger structure after, and then continue down. For now, Forex, if you break this top on this buy, and let's see. Let's be clear with that only, okay? Forget the sell, you already sold from the top. I'll be taking profit as well now. Okay, and I'll see what happens from there. And we'll wait on this pair. Euro pound. Let's try to exclude this one from showing you on YouTube. And that's what we're anticipating, guys. Let's be a little bit more quicker, because I got very important calls I need to take, but I'll call him back. So anyway, so this is what you anticipate. This drop, up, and then drop, okay? This is what we see on pound, euro pound. Euro pound is to the downside, do not buy in it. This is our forecast, only sell on euro pound. Bitcoin, I want to take you to our live trade, show you exactly there from there as well. Hey guys, we did sell Bitcoin right at the top last week, right at the top. See, this is sell from right at the top, and we are still in the trade. We will watch now, and I'm expecting them to come more to the downside. If we see buys changing direction, I don't like this spike now. Okay, if they correct here for some time, I will exit this trade. This is the DAX. We will come back to the DAX, but I'll show you just sold DAX as well. And where's Bitcoin? It doesn't matter. We don't need it anyway. Let's go back to the chart. So Euro pound, guys, you know what to do. Bitcoin, we are looking to sell, and okay, now we see more clear in here. This is correction, and we're coming down. Okay, we did sold that top, and we are anticipating them to go to break that bottom. Remember this, guys. At least you are coming for 5,000, around 5,000 area. Let's move on to Tesla quickly. You already see that we got Bitcoin exactly from right at the top, guys. And Tesla, we did it for you guys. We got right from the top, this Tesla. You see my box in there. You see my drawing. Okay, and let's go back quickly to the chart. You see that we got that from right at the top. We're still in that trade. Okay, because we're just anticipating now this is a pullback and we're going down. Okay, breaking this top, we're exiting the trade, and we will wait. We can keep it, wait that correction, and the close after on break even and take it to the upside. Okay, but make sure if any reason you're selling above this top, you close your trade. Okay, because that's mean you are in this big trade to the upside, big move to the upside. Anyway, for now, focus on this sell. Huge sell possible coming. Okay, even all the way to break this bottom if the stock will make a new low, or that is your sell to this top here. Okay, so this 1 2 3 4 5 Let's quickly label this for you guys. I don't know why my labeling, I think I moved it to the 4 hours, so it doesn't make the chart too busy. 4, 5. Now, what's we anticipating now? You either in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Or you are in ABC. You are in the A and you're making the B, and the B will go more sideways. If you see them coming more sideways, you anticipate them only coming for ABC, and we're going back to the upside. Let's make this one more smaller, because this ABC doesn't, it's not going to be that big. So if you see the ABC playing out, take this Y. If you see, don't miss this sell, because this can be the third wave. If that third wave comes here, find that fourth wave and sell it again. Okay, if you manage to come all the way down, because that's what we see in here. If they are coming down, okay, we see this exactly. I will leave this drawing for you guys in there. To the bottom of this box only. Remember, once we come here, guys, you miss this buy. We call this buy from right at the bottom. If you do not miss this buy again, okay. If you did miss the first buy, once we come to right 284.20, start buying. Once you come within this box, guys, start buying and don't scare. Tesla has a future, okay, and it's already a car company, big car company, and it will hit the market. It will go up. It need to go up. This price is too low for their volume, okay, and they are expanding around. They're making more cars, and more beautiful cars, they are coming on the way. So we are going to buy this from the bottom. I really hope they are come back to right to the bottom again, because we missed to buy this, because my broker doesn't support shares, okay, like Tesla and stock stuff. So I didn't buy this within this. But if they come here, I'll open separate account for this only and buy it to the upside. If we're lucky, we get this down move. So what's next? Natural gas. Natural gas, let's not much talk about it. Let's the structure talk about self. Okay, guys, last week we was here. We said they are coming to break this top, and we are dropping. Okay, let's go back quickly to natural gas and take you to the live trading. Take some trade and exit the outlook in here. Okay, guys, you will see the structure. Okay, the green structure still in, they didn't even touch it. You see how they went up. We was here. Let's get back to drawing tools again. We was here. We said this is coming up, and then we coming back down. What's now at this level? This is, if I am to put box, I put it in here. Okay, they can go to the upside, make a new high, and then drop. Even though I'm anticipating them, I am looking, this is bigger correction, and we're dropping. Okay, to make that low finally, and then we'll start go to the upside. I don't think this is the structure that we go to the upside, absolutely to the upside. This telling me I am correction, and I don't see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is the bullish sign. There is no bullish sign on this. This is telling me I am correction structure A, B, C. This is running flat, or they. Let me give you two structure on this. Okay, so that's one. So if this is U1, this is U1, 2, 3. That means this is U1, and we will have this now. Okay, and then we drop from there. So this structure I highly recommend. Now I just this just opened my eyes right now, guys. So this is still existed. So now if you miss this sell from the top when we called it, you only sell below this bottom. Okay, only below this bottom. You can stop if you find buy set up. Okay, buy it because there is now, I can see now. I'll post this for my people as well, a private group, because this can be coming here to the upside. Okay, let's just clear everything and keep this for you guys for next week. And then from there, we are about to drop. So let's make this red and keep it. Okay. Or structure to the downside. This can be fully structured and we can be dropping. Let's say again, there is two possibility for right now. This is your running flat and this your A, B, C, and we are dropping. Okay, guys, we do not ignore this one. But if we find any buy setup, we'll take it, and we're not worrying much about this because we use stop loss. or we buy with proper risk management, because even if they drop on us, it's no problem. We can exit later, or we can actually trade when they reach the bottom, our target. When they reach the 1.300, sorry, $1 and 300 cents. So if you find buy setup on natural gas, take it. Keep in mind, this is the only move you're expecting. Okay, reaching there, take profit. Managing now to come down and break this bottom, only sell until you reach this level. Okay, until at least you break this bottom. So this is everything for today. Let's move quickly to the live trading and take some trade based on what we just forecasted. USD we did put one trade on our box. We do know where this is going. Okay, we should exit this, but it doesn't matter. Still, we didn't break this top. Once we break this top, they will correct and continue up. We will exit this to trade and enter to the downside again at the top. So let's leave this one for now. Aussie USD, we said days pulling back and coming back down. Let's enter a trade on this one. Let's find another trade on oil. We don't want it because we know it's coming down. We only will buy it. This is another oil. Euro New Zealand. If you see, we are in the sell earlier, but let's see more. What did we see in there? Forget. Oh, maybe we're at the bottom, but let's enter another trade. Doesn't matter, because this, even if they go up, we are coming back down. Okay, so let's just make it for now, and when they give us proper sell setup, we'll take bigger trades. But just so you see, we can take trade live. And this is pound USD. We did stop here. It's very bad because this change for up move. We will leave this one. We're already in the sell. Okay, guys, we will leave this sell and see what happens. We're already in the sell on this pair. Pound CAD, we did forecast the up move. Let's buy once more and use stop loss, because if you remember what we said, now we should do stop loss somewhere. It's too far. Doesn't matter. Just leave it here and we'll see what happens with this one. So 1, 2, 3. This didn't go up. That means a bigger structure. This was too early trade. Doesn't matter. It took a right at the top. Or we just try to manage it properly. Yeah, that is enough. I'm happy with this risk on this pair. We'll enter again if they drop to the downside. Okay, guys. For my personal entries, it's not there. I like to enter from right the top and right the bottom, but because you guys are with me, I am going to trade some pairs for you guys. So on Wall Street, we did anticipate this is playing out, or we are absolutely dropping. Either way, we will be pulling back. It's no good buy. We'll be selling this one. It's too early for this. What's happens? Sell. We sold this one for you guys. No problem. We know that they can go up, pull back up, okay, and then drop, but it's no problem. Just show you the confidence in taking the trade. What did we say about EURUSD? We are in the sell from right the top, guys. You see, I told you I want to show you this one. All right, the top. And stopping here, I really don't like it, but what did we do? Anticipate on EURUSD. Let's quickly go and see. Okay, just give me 1 sec. This reaction is no good here. It doesn't matter. We will be selling for you because we said it's going down. Okay, no problem. We will sell this. EURUSD. One click trading. And let's sell 3. and see what happens from there. As you see, guys, sometimes I don't use stop loss because I know what I'm doing, and I close the trade manually if it doesn't play out as I'm expecting. And gold, what did we say about gold? We say gold will come possibly break this bottom, or will come here and then drop. Okay, we sell this, no problem. It's still 3 enough, because if they make a new top, I'll sell here again, couple more trades. Okay, guys, because why I'm selling, they didn't break this trend line. See, if they're going, they should not come react on that trend line and come back down. They should already went. And I don't like this reaction. Okay, if they're going up, they shouldn't drop this. So this confirm for me, or give me more indication that it's coming down here first, and then we'll have this, and then go to the upside. So we sold this, no problem. What's that? USDM. We will leave this one because you will be selling this. We sold the Aussie, we sold the EURUSD, we sold the USD. What's that? Euro New Zealand, Euro New Zealand, Euro New Zealand. We did sell only one. Why? Okay, we will sell this, no problem. More. That's 3. Because even if they go up, they will make correction, something like this, and then go. And if we see this happening, we're exiting the trade. Silver, we are already in the trade. Okay, guys, we entered earlier right here, and they're playing around, and we kept that trade. We entered even big trades on silver. Okay, let's just show you quickly. See how much we entered? 0.11, 0.6, 0.3, and this is big amount for our account size, 1400. Okay, guys, 1400 with 156 profit. That means it's less than 1400. It's one. That's the balance. 1267. So we'll see what happens with silver. Maybe we'll reduce that size and let them drop and then sell again. Let's leave this. Let's see Bitcoin. Bitcoin, where's this? We did close that by mistake. Pound yen, do we have anything in there? We called this sell last time, and we still see them coming to the downside. Okay, we will sell on this. That's a sell on pound yen. We took profit. We sold this one last week. We took profit. If you watch on my weekly outlook, I took profit right at the bottom, guys. Okay, when they spike and pull back, I took profit here. So we were just looking for Bitcoin and see overall in the trade in Bitcoin. So we are in this side in Bitcoin. We will leave it. If they confirm for us more to downside, we will take it. But because this one is have gap, and this gap is not existed because this one already doesn't open on the weekend. Okay, so we will look on this one and trade it based on this structure on the chart. So we don't want to be drag this to be the correction and this going. That will be very bad trade. So we'll be selling below this bottom, guys. Once we break this trend line, I am going to sell. Because this is not a very good trade from this side now to the sell side. Because if this is your first one, and this is all correction, we can be going spiking very high from here. 3, 4, 5. Okay, I don't want to be dragged in impulsive move. Let's try confirm for us one more to a downside. This will confirm that correction. Okay, if they pull back now to a trend line, even if they go up, I'll sell this retracement. This is not too safe now. So let's leave Bitcoin. We already from the top, and this is good trade, not bad. Here on gold, we already only sold trade, doesn't matter. Okay, and we will leave this for next week. USDN, I'll try to close that bottom one. This one was entered at my zone. I said there's a chance for this to drop for me. They didn't. That's okay. We understand. If you remember my outlook, I just explained for you. We are in this move now. Okay, move to the upside, and then continuing to the downside here. So there is no big issues on that. But I'll have to sell from the top. So I'll close the bottom one once we pull back on it, because we have to pull back on it, and then sell from the top bigger from right at the top. Anyway, this is everything for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Please share this video to help me, to help YouTube rank higher, and to help more people to see it. All my point is just to help people protect themselves, make some money. If you really see that we're getting every move is correct, or we have an edge in the market, please share this video to help others protect themselves and to find us, okay? So we can help them always. And of course, you will help me, because this will help me create for you guys more powerful stuff like this, more training for free, more like, you know, make me more excited to do more stuff for you guys. It will motivate me, you know, when I see comment, shares and stuff, and more people coming, you know, I love to see that community beside me. So I know I'm doing okay with that. If you guys not interesting, it's no problem. Just write as well in the comment. And if you see this is not helpful at all, please let me know as well, so I can just stop posting anything and I can close my YouTube channel. I have no issues, okay? This YouTube channel being created only to help people, guys. Only to help trader like you, struggling in the market, losing money. I came here, step in to help you protect your account. I know trading Forex is very risky. That's why I'm here. And plenty of people are losing. Forex is not a scam, but Forex is very hard game, okay? If you don't know how to manage your risk, if you don't know how to approach the market. And please, guys, if you find it helpful, give that like, thumbs up. Let me see that your comment. Even if I'm doing good or not, please let me know in the comment section, guys. I need this. Your feedback will help me a lot to improve, okay? Even if you need me to improve on something, let me know. I'm happy to do so. And see you next week. Bye for now.